Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to just sit down and do a tutorial because I haven't done one in a long time. And also I have a few makeup gigs today to do, so I was like, well, you know, let's just sit down and just make a little tutorial and just have a little chit chat. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try these two Maybelline Fit Me Foundations. Now I know that this one looks pretty dark, but no worries. I'm gonna make it work in the end, so just stay tuned. Now I believe one of these are actually matte and the other one is dewy, so I got these and I just wanted to try them out for my kit. You know, you can't really go wrong with Maybelline foundations. Honestly, I feel like they're one of the best drugstore foundations to use, especially if you're a beginner in makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend both colors together. Yeah, I kind of looked a little bit surprised. But anyways, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques buffing brush and to blend out both these foundations. Now I will list below the name of the foundations that I did use. I do not remember the names, so please do not bite me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend it out to my liking. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now I like to use a concealer that's a little bit kinda close to my skin tone in a way, as a base. Now, you know, when you're highlighting, you should definitely go at least 3 shades lighter. So that's clearly what I'm doing here as a base, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. Now I know somebody might be asking or even wondering if I, you know, use the same techniques on myself also onto my clients, and the answer is actually no, because you know, every application is completely different. So I like to just, you know, use like I said, a concealer that's closer to me as a base, and then I'll go over with something a little bit more brighter. Now I, you know, just like the way it looks on myself. Now I'm not saying that you should do this, it's just my preference, because I just like certain areas to look a little bit brighter. As you notice, I did not put it on my forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer with my, I believe this is the banana powder or my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Now I don't have this sit for a long time. I just like slap it on and then I eventually wipe it off. Okay, now I don't like to bake, I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black Radiance powder, and I'm just gonna use this to set my face, as well as I'm gonna use the Mineralize Skin finish to do so. And I actually like to use the Mineralize Skin finish over the Sasha Buttercup or the banana powder. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. Now I do not like the heavy contour, I like the more natural looking contour. That's just my preference. You know, on my clients I said I just do things differently, and it's just based off people's preference. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow color from my Juvias Place palette. I like to use brown in my crease, that's just my preference, and I'm just gonna do this in a windshield wiper motion. Now I'm gonna take that pretty coppery eyeshadow and apply that to the bottom area of my mobile lids and just blend that into the brown transition color. So I tend to gravitate to a lot of browns, golds, and like rose golds and coppery colors. I don't know why, but that's just what my eyes literally catches in every palette. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face, try to have it dry, and I'm there rambling. Okay, let's go Mandy, let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna just apply my eyeliners. Why did I say eyeliners? My eyeliner to my bottom lash area. And I like to have that smoky look going underneath my eyes. For some reason, it's just my preference, guys. So I love like a really nude lip combo. So this is like my signature thing. Like I just apply a brown lip liner and I blend it into either like a soft pink or like a neutral nude lip gloss. Yeah, like what I'm doing right now. Yep, smacking it away. All right, so now to the mascara. This is one of my best parts when I'm doing makeup because I just love those. I just love the bottom lashes. Like for me, I just love my bottom lashes. Like look at this, I'm just going overboard applying like 2-3 coats. Damn, Manny, what the hell are you doing, girl? Come on, you got somewhere to be. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna go ahead now and do my highlighter. I don't go overboard with this, as you can tell in my pictures and tutorials. And of course, I'm gonna find a very minimal looking lash to apply because I don't need to do the whole heavy wispy lashes when I'm going on makeup gigs. Yeah, this completes my look. Let me just smile it really quick. So yeah, I just decided to go with a little coppery brown on the eyes, and of course like a very nice pinky nude lip paired with a brown liner. I'll be sure to link all the products in the description bar below, so please check it out. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this crazy little video of mine, and if you're not, later, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.